What's up, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today I'm going for a drive in this 2023 BMW 530i xDrive M Sport. This vehicle has a 2-liter twin-turbo inline-4 with 248 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. And you have the fantastic 8-speed automatic transmission from BMW, and this specific one is loaded. I've never seen a 530i which is this loaded. Like this one's an M Sport. So yeah, this one's an M Sport. Beautiful leather seats. You have like this one has like the Napa leather. The seats are super comfortable. They look amazing. You have some really nice trim pieces in here, and you have the Harman Kardon sound system. This vehicle also has the executive package, driver assistance professional. It gives you everything that you could want. Like this is one of the most loaded 530i's I've ever seen. As I said, like very premium interior. You have sport mode, comfort, and eco pro. Parking sensors, backup camera. And then that's like the little thing that'll track your eyes for whenever you're using the driving assistance. You also have adaptive cruise control, and you have a pretty big sunroof in here. But yeah, like the seats just feel so cocoon. This seat feels more comfortable than the seats in my 2021 G80 M3. Like that's how comfortable these seats feel. It's like it has so much lateral support, and the cushioning is just really good. Like you just feel like your whole body just feels very comfortable in this, which is nice to have. But right, here's the center console. You also have a wireless charging tray, cup holders over there. But let's walk around the car and I'll show you what it looks like. I love these M door sills. Really nice gray color. I forgot what the actual color is, the name of it. LED headlights, black wheels. This thing is really nice, very classy. This is the last model year of this generation of the 5 Series, the G30. Really nice taillights, xDrive badge on the back. Would be cool if it had a spoiler though. Here's the trunk. Typically you don't see 530i's with this kind of equipment because it is like the more it's like one of the lower trims of the 5 Series. Most people would want to have this equipment on a 540i or a M550i or something. Whoever ordered this car, I guess really just wanted a 530i with really nice stuff. I think this one had a sticker price of like well into the 70s. You also have a heated steering wheel. So the thing with this one, it's quick. For daily driving, you don't need more than this. But if you want more power, you obviously have to get the 540i, but this will give you more than an acceleration, because all BMWs, even like the more basic powertrains, are pretty quick. BMWs are all BMWs are sporty. That's the thing about them. They all have some kind of sporty characteristic to them. BMW does a great job of tuning their engines and transmissions to behave that way. But yeah, the ride is so smooth. It feels so comfortable. And I really like these metal shift paddles. The newer BMWs don't have these shift paddles. Like the new 540i, check out my videos on the 24 and 25 models if you want, or 530i. The shift paddles are like plastic. They don't feel good at all, but this one feels way nicer. I wish BMW kept these. Like, I don't like when shift paddles are flimsy, because I use them a lot. If I have a car with shift paddles, I'm going to be using them all the time. Let's put this thing in comfort now. You also have a giant parking sensor button. It's kind of funny. Man, it's so quiet in here. It feels more like a 7 Series than a 5 Series. Here's the key, by the way. Just a standard BMW wedge key fob. Eats up bumps really well. Like, man, like this car, because of how comfortable the suspension feels, it's sporty but comfortable too, and then how nice the seats feel. Like, you could just be sitting in traffic for a long time and you won't really get that tired. It's very important to have comfortable seats, in my opinion, because like if you have like seats with bad lateral support and lumbar support, your back's gonna hurt, your legs are gonna hurt, and then like it's gonna suck if you have to sit in traffic or go on long road trips. That's why comfortable seats are a must for me in whatever car I have. And a lot of BMW seats in the non-M Sports, or even some M Sports, the seats are not that good. Like the synthetic leather doesn't feel good, but the actual Nappa leather feels fantastic. But overall, that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned BMWs.